At the end of the day, the environment is not going to take care of itself. If all of us feel empowered, we can make it happen. Atmus's environmental journey is at the exciting point. We keep finding ways to innovate and participate in not only our communities, but also in our environments. We do a variety of community involvement events, planting pollinator gardens, tree plantings, trash pickups, beautification of spaces. We helped install a rainwater collection system at a retirement center in Brazil. Every little action can make a huge impact. So as part of my role, I get to go visit our locations around the globe. Interacting with our people and getting hands-on and involvement in making a change is probably the number one reason I do sustainability. I really like to hear their experiences, the work they do, and most importantly, their ideas. It's really being able to engage and identify opportunities that we could potentially implement, not just at a site level, but even at a business level. Atmus is starting to build our sustainability strategy. And one of our big focuses is renewable energy. We really want to make sure our plants are focusing on choosing the best possible energy from their providers. The next step is to start assessing energy projects like solar energy as an alternative source for electricity at our sites. Sustainability at Atmus is the core part of how we do our business, from our supply chain through our product development and through our deliverables to our customers. To make a choice that has a lasting impact is the reason we do it.